In this video, you'll discover how to create a full children's coloring book with just a single click. It may sound unbelievable at first, but stick around and you'll see the entire process unfold step by step. Whether you're a beginner or already creating digital products, this method can save you time and unlock new creative possibilities. So let's get started. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type Manus AI. Open this link. This website works similarly to ChatGPT. Simply sign in using your email, Gmail, or any other provider will do. The platform is user-friendly, so you don't need any technical expertise to get started. Once you're inside, focus closely on the next step. We'll enter one simple prompt. I want to create a children's coloring book about animals with simple drawings and clear lines to make coloring easy. Create a book with 20 images. And that's it, that's the only instruction we give. You can always tweak the prompt later by changing the theme, style, or number of images. Now, sit back and let the platform do all the work. You can grab a coffee or take a short break while everything runs automatically. On the right-hand side, you'll see the images being generated in real time. Although the video is sped up, the full process usually takes around 8 to 12 minutes for 20 images, which is still incredibly fast. Take a look at the quality. The drawings are clean, simple, and perfect for kids to color. The clear outlines make them easy to use, especially for younger children. If you notice any mistakes, you can always go back and edit specific images once the generation is complete. Think about it, 20 images created in just a few minutes. That's a great starting point for anyone looking to publish coloring books on platforms like Amazon or Etsy. You can even create multiple smaller books or combine several batches later to build a larger collection. To save time, I've also created another coloring book based on cars and vehicles. The platform gives you a ready-to-download PDF file with just one click, so your coloring book is instantly ready. It may also include additional files if needed. Let's take a look at the PDF. It looks clean, well-structured, and professionally organized. A complete coloring book created in minutes with just one prompt is truly impressive. It is also designed a cover. Final formatting is also done by this amazing website. You are ready to publish. With consistency, you can quickly build a portfolio of coloring books and even turn this into a steady income stream. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials and creative ideas.